Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we'll provide you with a full guide on how to view the music that's used in a TikTok video. Have you ever come across a catchy tune in a TikTok and wondered what it's called? Well, we're here to help you find out. Let's dive into the step-by-step process. Step 1. Open the TikTok app on your device. Step 2. Go to the TikTok feed where you'll find a plethora of entertaining videos. Step 3. If the TikTok video you're watching has used a sound that TikTok recognizes, you'll notice an option labeled Original Sound, followed by the name of the sound. Simply tap on it, and voila! You'll now be able to see the name of the sound. By following these simple steps, you can easily discover the music that's used in a TikTok video, allowing you to explore and enjoy the songs that resonate with you. TikTok offers a vast library of sounds, music, and audio clips that creators can use to enhance their videos. With this guide, you can uncover the names of those catchy tunes and even discover new music to add to your playlist. Remember, giving credit to the original sound creator is important to acknowledge their work. If you enjoy the music, consider supporting the artist by streaming or purchasing their songs. Thank you for watching and enjoy exploring the music behind your favorite TikTok videos.